Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, November 16th. Today's Zen story is titled The Log That Said No. The monk had been asking too many questions. Not aloud, perhaps, but inside, where the mind runs even when the mouth stays shut. Questions that churned were: was the fox his teacher? Was this an illusion? Was he closer now or further away? One morning, he stood at the edge of the clearing, hands folded behind his back, and asked the fox plainly, "Are you here to teach me?" The fox looked up from licking its paw, then turned away. That night, the monk dreamed he was chasing an answer through fog. Each time he reached for it, it dissolved like steam. When he woke, his knees ached, and he couldn't remember why. He stepped outside to clear his head, and there it was, a log, too thick to have rolled there by accident, set directly in front of the cabin door, square and deliberate, like a punctuation mark. He had to step over it to pass. He checked the woodshed. No logs missing. He hadn't cut this one. He went closer to inspect. Carved into the bark, rough, unmistakable, was a single word: no. He stared at it for a long time. He couldn't remember what question it had answered, or how long he'd been staring. But each time he passed it, he asked something, quietly. Is this all a game? Am I still dreaming? Have I misunderstood everything? Each day, the log remained still, and the word carved into its dark bark unchanged. The fox watched from a distance, tail twitching slightly, amused maybe, or just present. The next day, after an evening walk, the monk stopped at the log before entering the cabin. He bowed, then stepped over it and went inside. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. Now take a moment to reflect. What if all your life questions were answered with a no? What if all your life questions were answered with a no? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. What if all your questions were answered with a no? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.